Thank you for purchasing your Easy Handrail kit from Home Depot. Your kit comes complete with everything needed for easy installation. In your kit, you'll find pickets, railings, pre-drilled bottom channel, pre-drilled top snap, easy engineered top cap, wall mounting brackets, and a supply of fasteners. With Easy Handrail, no special tools are required. Begin by holding one picket in place with a fastener about halfway in. Then set a second fastener tightly at the end of the bottom channel. Same for the next picket. When all the pickets are done, align your easy top snap and secure a fastener halfway to hold that picket in place. Tighten the second and return to tighten the first. Proceed to tighten the next picket until you are done. For the top cap, make sure the ends are flush. Simply squeeze the cap onto the top snap and continue applying pressure down the rail. Easy Handrail comes to you in convenient 5-foot or 8-foot lengths, and sections can be easily sized for custom installations by removing equal amounts from both ends of the rail. Fasten your Easy Handrail to your existing posts or Easy Handrail posts ordered separately with standard wood or concrete fasteners. Here, we're using fasteners that are provided in your kit. In very little time, you are able to enjoy your beautiful, safe, virtually maintenance-free Easy Handrail from Home Depot. For more technical information, call our Easy Handrail helpline during business hours at 573-365-7040 or email at support@easyhandrail.com. Enjoy the beauty and safety of your new Easy Handrail, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.